Every night when we look at the sky, we see stars, tiny dots of light that seem peaceful, silent, eternal. But the truth is far more mysterious. A star is not just a glowing ball of gas. It is a living cosmic machine, born from darkness, fueled by fire, and destined for a violent, spectacular end. Today, we journey into one of the most mysterious events in the entire universe. How a star is born, how it lives, and how it dies. And trust me, the end is nothing like you could ever imagine. Billions of years ago, the universe was almost completely dark. No stars, no galaxies, just endless clouds of hydrogen, the simplest element in existence. But hidden inside this darkness, something was happening. Gravity was slowly pulling these clouds together, tightening them, squeezing them, until the first spark of cosmic creation began. This moment is called stellar birth, and it is one of the most mysterious processes in the universe, because every tiny change in temperature, pressure, and gravity decides whether a star will be born, or whether the cloud will simply vanish back into darkness. Here's the secret. For a star to form, the gas cloud must collapse so violently that the core becomes hotter than 10 million degrees. And when that temperature is reached, something incredible happens. Nuclear fusion ignites. This is the moment a star takes its first breath. A new sun is born. A new chapter in the universe begins. Once a star is born, it enters a long, stable period called the main sequence. Our own sun is in this phase right now. To us, stars seem calm, but inside them, a violent battle is happening every second. Gravity tries to crush the star. Fusion tries to blow the star apart. And the only reason a star survives is because these two forces are perfectly balanced. This balance is cosmic perfection. Some stars are small, dim, quiet. Others are giants, a million times brighter than our sun. And here's the mysterious part. A star's entire life, its brightness, its temperature, even how it will die, is decided at the moment it is born. A small star lives peacefully for billions of years. A large star lives fast, burns furiously, and dies young. When a star begins to run out of fuel, everything changes. It grows unstable. Its core collapses. Its outer layers expand. A star like our sun will swell into a red giant, so big it will swallow Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth. This is the beginning of the end. A small star doesn't explode. Instead, it gently sheds its outer layers into space, forming a glowing cloud called a planetary nebula. What remains is the hot, dense core called a white dwarf. It is the size of Earth, but heavier than the entire sun. This hot ember will slowly fade until it becomes a cold, dark, dead star. But when a massive star dies, the universe watches, because what happens next is perhaps the most mysterious and violent event known to science. Its core collapses with unimaginable force. Temperatures rise to billions of degrees, and then a supernova. One single explosion brighter than an entire galaxy. For a few seconds, that dying star outshines 100 billion suns. This explosion creates every heavy element in your body. Iron, calcium, gold, even the atoms in your blood. Supernovae are the reason life exists. A massive star's death creates two of the most mysterious objects in the universe. One neutron star, a city-sized object heavier than Mount Everest. 1 teaspoon of it weighs more than all the cars on Earth combined. 2. Black hole, a place where gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. This is the darkest mystery of all. Most black holes sit quietly inside galaxies, but some escape. These runaway giants are called rogue black holes, invisible monsters wandering through space with no home. They move silently, without light, without warning, devouring anything that crosses their path. What makes them terrifying is this: a rogue black hole could pass through a solar system without ever being seen, until it suddenly distorts gravity, tears apart planets, and consumes entire worlds. Scientists believe there may be thousands of these monsters drifting in our Milky Way, completely invisible. The universe is full of dangers we cannot see. In the end, the death of a star is not really the end. The explosion spreads dust and atoms across the galaxy. These atoms gather again, form new clouds, new stars, new planets, and maybe new life. We are literally made from the remains of ancient stars. You, me, Earth, everything we know, is born from the ashes of a cosmic death. The universe is not just a place. It is a cycle, a story of birth, life, destruction, and creation. If you enjoyed this journey into the mystery of the cosmos, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the universe has many more secrets waiting for us.